classic yet, but it's just f***ing cool. 2003 Cadillac Escalade, 33,000 miles, all-wheel drive. You were living the high life back in the day if you bought one of these brand new. I was 2.3 seconds away from keeping this thing as my daily driver. So it's almost a shock that it's up for sale. I was really close to keeping this thing as my, again, daily driver. It is just so cool. You have a 2003 Cadillac Escalade with 33,590 miles. So basically a brand new vehicle front to back. These Escalades are awesome. They were the pinnacle of luxury for an SUV to drive every single day. And this just has all the bells and whistles. But for the mechanicals, you have your just legendary 6-liter, runs like a brand new car, 4L60 automatic overdrive transmission. You have disc brakes all the way around. You have power steering, obviously. Factory heat and AC work exactly like they should. You could drive this thing across the country tomorrow if you wanted to. These are extremely reliable. They're known to go forever. That 6-liter is just, again, a legendary motor. The LS platform is just awesome. As you can see, we're cruising at 65, 70 miles an hour without a worry in the world. Transmission shifts exactly like it should. The factory exhaust, you don't even hear it. Again, these are luxury SUVs. They are meant to be just in it of that. Luxury, you're not really supposed to hear the exhaust. On the interior, pretty crispy in here. A little bit of leather wear on both the front driver's seat and the passenger seat here, but no cracking or major issues, just your normal leather age that you're gonna get. All of the seats in the car, or excuse me, all of the seats inside here are excellent. The middle row and the back row look great. It's a fold down middle row, and then the third seats in the back actually pull completely out so you can remove it and have a large compartment back there. Headliner, visors, all of that stuff is great. Center console looks good. Glove box works properly. All of your wood grain in here looks brand new. Door panels look great. Steering wheel's awesome. Factory gauges are clear and easy to read. Upper dash, lower dash, no issues with any of that stuff. You do have an aftermarket stereo, which does not bother me one bit. You can hook your phone up to it, and then there's also a little USB charger in there as well. So upgraded that. Other than that, inside here looks very factory and OE spec. Carpet looks great. Floor mats are great. Steering wheel's in awesome condition with your steering wheel controls. All of that stuff functions properly. And again, you're 33,592 miles. This is a clean Carfax, clean auto check, no accidents or damage ever reported. As far as the does it work section, like you'd expect a low mileage Escalade, everything works. Lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, stereo, infotainment, like when you go through the driver settings, all that stuff, all that is working exactly like it should. The does it work section you will find in the additional media tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. Click on the inventory tab, click on this vehicle in the inventory, scroll to the very bottom of the page, and you'll see that additional media section, which will have all those extra goodies in there. But we are warmed up, so let's go ahead and test out the 6-liter. Halfway in the throttle, and it performs excellent. Zero complaints mechanically. It really feels like I'm driving a brand new car. It's super smooth. On the underneath, no complaints at all. Floors, frame, everything on the bottom shows like a 33,000 mile example should show like. I see no problems of any kind. On the exterior, it's the Pewter metallic paint. You have some stone chips on the front bumper, on the hood, other little nicks around the vehicle, little touch-ups, all just minor stuff from a vehicle that's over 20 years old. You're gonna get little things, even low mileage examples like this. It just happens. You'll see photos of the imperfections in the additional media tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. Make sure you guys check that out. Again, it's still an excellent looking truck, but you do have those little paint cosmetic touch-ups. Good tires. I believe they are a 2011 date coats. The tires are a little bit older, but no dry rot, no cracking, no pulling left or right. Factory Cadillac wheels look great. All the trim is in nice condition. All the doors open and close properly. One thing I did forget to mention, on the underside of the hatch in the back, the paint, and these are really notorious for it, the paint is kind of lifting a little bit on the underneath, on the interior portion of the hatch in the back. you will see a photo of that in that additional media tab as well. You have all kinds of power options and other goodies in here. Heated front seats, memory seats, power windows, power locks. You have your turn signal indicators in the mirrors themselves. You have the OnStar. You have your rear climate control. You have your garage door opener. Your dual climate controls up front. You have tilt. You have cruise. Everything that these would have came with. It's basically a fully loaded truck. I'm pretty sure you could have got a sunroof. This one does not have a sunroof, which doesn't bother me. Those are really notorious. I know on the ESVs you for sure could have got a sunroof. I'm not sure on the short ones, but to be honest, I don't care for the sunroof. I never have mine open anyway. So this one not having the sunroof, even if it was optional, doesn't matter to me. But basically, other than that, fully loaded. The all-wheel drive system works exactly like it should with your factory transfer case. All of that is, again, functioning properly. You have your traction control button here, stability control, parking sensors. You have the backup sensors on the rear bumper. All that stuff's functioning properly. Suspension feels great. I believe these were air ride in the back, so that's part of the reason why they're so comfortable. Front suspension and steering components do exactly what they're supposed to do. I almost kept this. I almost called the wife and said, babe, I'm bringing home a new daily driver. But I let my sanity win today, and someone else gets to buy this and keep it as either a collectible or as their daily driver, and they're just going to be pumped. This is an awesome, awesome truck. Tach's working, speedo's working, all the gauges are functioning properly. No overheating issues. We're running about 160, 170 degrees on the gauge there, so it stays nice and cool. As I mentioned earlier, the third row, those seats completely pop out if you want them to. You can keep them back there, you can fold them down, or again, you can completely remove them if you need more space. These middle seats, they fold, the bottom seat folds forward, and then the seat back folds down into it, so you can have a large compartment back there if you need it. As far as your glass goes, you do have a few little stone chips and imperfections on the windshield. All of your power windows, all of them, all the way around the truck work like they should. Same thing with the locks. When you pop the hood, it is the original 6-liter that this Escalade was born with. Performs excellent. Serviceable items like belts, hoses, and your fluids, all of that checks out good. Nothing that needs to be done. If someone said, Mike, hop in this and drive it to California tomorrow, I would have no worry in the world, and I would definitely do so. You never know when something simple can go wrong on a new vehicle or something like this that's 20 plus years old. But the reliability of these, the drive lines that are in these are just tried and true for a long time. You see these with 250,000 miles on them all over the internet. They're just, again, very reliable setups. This thing is just kick ass. It's just such a cool truck. So luxurious for the time, all kinds of options. They were expensive when they were new too. It rides just as good as a brand new Denali or even a new Escalade. There you guys have it. I'm Michael. This is a 2003 Cadillac Escalade with 33,597 miles, all-wheel drive, all kinds of cool options and features. For myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, PCClassicCars.com. Check out all of the killer content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. We'll catch you guys on the next video.